Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go keeps closing. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go keeps closing, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about Monopoly Go app. Then this list of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Then you will enter the storage. After that we click clear cache. Pay attention, don't click clear data because that can mix a lot of errors or issues on your application of or on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.